Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reverse video in CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reverse a video using CapCut on PC. Start by launching CapCut and creating a new project, then import the video you want to reverse, drag it onto the timeline, and once it loads, select the clip. At the top of the timeline, you see a thin bar with a circle play pause icon. Hover over it and select reverse. CapCut will process the clip, and the video will now play in the opposite section or direction. If you want to reverse only a specific portion, first split the clip and the desired start and end points, then apply the reverse effect to just that section. You can preview the results immediately to make sure it looks smooth. This method gives you full control over timing, so you can combine reverse segments with normal footage to create dynamic and engaging edits. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.